Hello everyone, this is Khaldun from Kanen Coffee. Today we're going to test this beautiful Rancilio Silvia espresso machine after repair and give a tune-up for the machine. So the machine also get this steam assembly handle replaced. This is the old one. It is broken from here, this one, and also this is the main issue with it that was broken. I don't know if you can see it. This should be all around there, and it's broken from this side, which is like it's not keeping it in place, so it keeps falling out every time. And I give this machine two baths of descaling and multiple times of the cleaning cycle, like I did deep clean for the steam wand and the group head. After replacing, and after that I replaced the shower screen and the group head gasket. So let's go ahead and test it and make a espresso shot on it. This is not belong to the same machine. I just borrowed from another one for just to test it. Oops, I kept that open. This is good. Give him a decent shot. Just steam it. And let's test the steamer. Actually, it needs a little bit to get hot. Usually when the light is off, that means the steam is ready. You just turn it off for a little bit and wait. It works perfect. You just turn it off. And do the hot water. As you can see, the hot water also works, so the machine functioning perfect. Everything works perfect. Thank you for watching.